Hi guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We are excited. We are about to finish one of our open houses for today. It is in the beautiful Uptown neighborhood here at 1116 West Leland. We want to say hi and provide a little bit more content for you. You know we love to do that. It is a gorgeous day, and how it's working now is there's still open houses, there's still showings. You just have a little different support to help out. So we have somebody, hi Lynn. We have someone from our team helping out outside. And then we have Marty from our team helping out on the inside. Hi, Marty.
Hello, come on in.
And check out this awesome listing here in the Uptown neighborhood. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 14-foot ceilings. Absolutely gorgeous. And we always make sure to have this here. Parking is included. It's an exterior spot. These are huge ceilings and a nice bathroom. We have a huge storage room with the unit as well. It's a little dark, there's no light in there, but real estate is going on. We hope you're well, we hope you're safe, and we just want to say hi. This is a big storage room. Stay tuned, be well, and be safe, as I said. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.